If you want to advertise in South Korea, you need to be on the popular local search engine Naver. Naver has an advertising platform called Naver Ad. But be warned, Naver Ad is very different from Google Ads, so in order to succeed, you need to learn how to use it properly. We've written a full-length guide on this topic, so check it out using the link in the description if you want to learn more. Now, let's look at 3 key differences between Naver Ad and Google Ads. The first key difference is in the languages and location targeting. Google Ads supports 44 languages and allows advertisers to target countries pretty much all over the world. On Google Ads, you can target specific locations in South Korea, even going down to city level. In contrast, Naver Ad only supports the Korean language, and the location targeting options are different. You can target Naver users all around the world, or only those inside South Korea or specific South Korean provinces or cities. You can also target more specifically, for example, within a certain distance of a South Korean address. The second difference is where the ads are shown. On Google, adverts are shown on the search results page above the organic results. Up to 4 ads can appear here. They can also show on Google's search partners' websites and Google Display Network if the advertiser so chooses. In contrast, on Naver, ads can appear on the search results page, Naver Search Portal, Naver Search Partners, and Content Media. Within the search results page, up to 10 ads can appear in the Power Link area near the top of the page, and up to 5 ads can appear in the Biz Site area near the bottom of the page. And finally, the third key difference is the match types. On Google Ads, there are the following match types: exact match, phrase match, broad match, and broad match modifier. But on Naver Ad, there is only one match type, exact match. Therefore, when you conduct keyword research for Naver, you need to add as many relevant keywords as possible. However, there is an option called Keyword Expansion Beta, also known as Keyword Plus, which basically functions as a broad match, bringing in search terms which are related to your keywords. Do you need help running an advertising campaign on Naver? Get in touch with us today. And remember, we have a much more detailed guide on this topic on our self-learning platform, which you can check out using the link in the description.